Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shoeboxed receipt scanning for write-offs step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Shoeboxed receipt scanning in the search bar. Press enter. Look for the official Shoeboxed website in the search results. Click on the link to the Shoeboxed website. Once on the home page, locate the download section. Choose the appropriate version for your device. If you are using a mobile device, select the App Store option for iOS or Android. For desktop users, look for the download link suitable for your operating system. Click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, open the Shoeboxed app. Sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app interface. Locate the receipt scanning feature. Start scanning your receipts by following the prompts. Ensure to categorize each receipt for accurate write-off tracking. Review scanned receipts for clarity and accuracy. Save your scanned receipts in the app. Access your receipt history anytime for potential write-offs. Regularly update your scanned receipts to maintain an accurate record. Utilize any additional features for expense tracking as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.